The Rolls-Royce boat tail. Why would anybody spend 28 million or 202 crore rupees on a car that resembles a boat? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out why. As we all know that the spirit of ecstasy has always been the pinnacle of luxury for decades in the automotive world. A badge that represents absolute excellence of mechanical beauty and modern architecture. However, every now and then we see a special project which goes further than their already existing high standards of luxury. Well, in 2017 we saw the sweep tail, and today we have another, a nearly 6-meter long grand tourer called the Rolls-Royce boat tail. More so, it's the new world's most expensive car, and here's why. To the front, it might look like a futuristic Phantom, but the real magic is at its rear, inspired by J-Class racing yacht. It's heard that the client who commissioned this project also owned the original 1932 Rolls-Royce Continental boat tail, which too is being restored to complement its new 28 million companion. The reason for its high cost are a phantom drophead-like body that boasts a scalable aluminium space frame architecture. The trunk is replaced by power-operated Calidolegno wooden picnic setup. This comprises custom-designed stools from Italian furniture maker, cutlery from Christofle in Paris, and a telescoping parasol which is the Rolls-Royce Sun umbrella. You'll also see a customized dual champagne cooler that houses the patron's favorite Armand de Brignac vintage and a special onboard fridge to keep the caviar chilled. To support all of these complex requirements, the system of the hosting suite, a unique electronic treatment was required. 5 electronic control units, ECUs, were created for the rear of the car alone. Yes, you heard it right. 5 computers just for that picnic set. You might be thinking, if the trunk is stuffed with picnic supplies, where does the convertible hood go? The answer is, there isn't any. Instead, Rolls-Royce fitted a device called a static transitory shelter, which is simply a raincoat-like cover to aid this. What you see here is the back is probably technically the most refined picnic facility on earth. On the other hand, the cabin of the car houses 1830 new and bespoke parts. Even the audio system has a 15-speaker setup that uses the whole floor as a resonance chamber. Since the owner also collected Bovet 1822 watches, they made him or her one to match his new ride. Rolls and Bovet developed 2 tourbillon timepieces that can either be worn on his wrist or mounted in the boat tail's dash. Let's factor this together. 1813 bespoke units, a highly complex and lavish picnic set, a 5 computer system to support that, and the hours of R&D that went into it. The space frame architecture of its body and its R&D hours, an exquisite Bovet 1822 on its dash and its R&D hours, an English V12 under the hood. This adds up to a hefty Rolls-Royce invoice of 28 million. That's nearly the equivalent of 22 top-end Rolls-Royce Phantom 8s. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for my next video.